How to map a network drive in Windows 10. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Command Prompt on your device. In here, click on ipconfig and then press on Enter. You'll find your IP address. Simply copy the IP address. Then press on Windows R on your keyboard, which will open Run. In Run, type in \, 2 times, and then paste your IP address. And then press on Enter. It will lead you to this folder. In here at the top, simply right-click on the Network Arrows option and copy address. After you have done that, in File Explorer on the left side, click on This PC. Then click on Map Network Drive at the top. After that, click on Map Network Drive. After you have done that, in here, select the drive and then paste your IP address that you copied from the folder. Then press on Finish at the bottom. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to map a network drive in Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.